I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Zoho Desk. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Choose a respective data center. To get client ID and client secret, please visit Zoho API Console. Get started. Create a server-based application. Give an application name. Copy the homepage URL and authorized redirect URI and paste it here. Copy the client ID and client secret and paste it here. Click Authorize. Accept authentication. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Select the portal and department. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. You can select a ticket owner, and products also can send attachments. The ticket owner is required. Select a ticket owner. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Here is the data that came into Zoho Desk through the integration. Thanks for watching.